Have you ever wondered why we can't just factor any number into fractions? Let's unlock the hidden rules of factors and discover why positive whole numbers are king. Factors are the specific numbers we multiply together to create a product. Unlike in real or complex numbers where division makes factorization meaningless, here we have strict rules. These factors are usually end-end value, positive or negative whole numbers only. This means fractions like 1/2 times 24 equaling 12 are explicitly not listed in our list of factors. To master these concepts, we use the multiplication method to solve examples. This approach is essential for boosting exam prep and understanding how numbers break down structurally. You can find the factors of large numbers like 6,400 using prime factorization, factor pairs, or even drawing a factor tree to visualize the breakdown. By learning these tricks and step-by-step explanations, you gain clarity on mathematical structures. This deep understanding transforms how you approach multiplication problems in grade 3 math. The key takeaway is that factorization is just calculation. It's about identifying the unique whole number building blocks that define a specific mathematical result. So there you have it. Factors are the positive or negative whole number heroes of multiplication. What is your favorite factorization method? Let me know in the comments.